Hello, this is Kevin from JBH. Today, I'm very glad to introduce you how to open the box and initial setup the wheelchair of JBH. First of all, thank you very much for choosing JBH wheelchair. This wheelchair today is very special. It's carbon fiber. It's even much easier because of the lightweight. First of all, let's open the box on the top by cutting the tab and also the straps, and then lay this whole carton down, and then you can pull out the units. Very simple and easy. Wheelchair has already taken out from the carton. Next step, we just need to open the wheelchair by holding one hand on top of the seat back, lean the wheelchair towards the front a little bit. You can open the wheelchair in just 1 second. Please check out, we have a seat cushion, a seat back cushion, a charger, and the other two is a controller and a pack. Of user's manual and simple tools with safety belt inside the storage bag here. First of all, let's take out the controller and then slide it into the pipe and the armrest, and then tie the knob to tight. Connect the wire. It's all set. Next one, seat back. We need to put a cushion here and a seat cushion on the top of the seat. There are two ways to charge in the battery. First of all, you can have direct charge from the controller here. Simply just insert the plug here, connect the charger plug to any power source that you can charge it. Second way is to charge from battery. This is an all-4 charging batteries. This model battery is on both sides of the frame. You need to touch here and then slide out the battery. This is an all-4 charge battery that you can take out the battery separate from wheelchair, that you can bring it inside the room by plugging in the plug here that connect the power source to anywhere, that you can charge it. Very simple and easy. Same as other wheelchair model, we have free wheel mode design on the back here. If you want to control by hand, that allow you to control by pushing the wheelchair to the front or back. If you want to control by electric, put it back. We can access the wheelchair either to the sides or to the front. If you want to access from the sides, just make the lever up that you can flip up the armrest that allow you to access from the side here. Put the armrest back. Turn the power on, that you are ready to go. Don't worry about the battery when you open up the carton, because we have the battery full charged when you go out the factory. Push the joystick to the front and back, or you can make a turn if you want. Very simple and easy. To fold the wheelchair is really simple and easy. Just touch the button and same time push the seat back to the front a little bit. One hand holds the front of the seat, the other hand holds the top of the backrest. Both hands push towards the center. You can just close it in 1 second. It's really simple and easy. Thank you very much for watching the video. We hope the video is helpful for you. Any information is listed on user's manual, also on YouTube channel. Please subscribe it. Thank you very much.